Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to fix OBS desktop audio not working. If you want to fix the problem, then here you will see I am in the Reddit where people squared their opinion and solution regarding this. As you can see, one people says that, are you recording to multiple separate audio tracks? If so, make sure you select the proper track in your media player application. This is the first solution you need to consider. And here in the down, another people says that Windows fix. Go to audio mixer and unmute OBS. This is the another solution you can try. And here in the down, people provide another opinion. Your desktop audio is set to default. Go to Windows settings under sound and see which device is selected. Sometime update to Win can make this change. This is the another option you can try. And in the last, the another option is on your streaming PC. Try click the three dots under NDI source. Second, advanced audio properties. Third, check all tracks for the NDI source. Hopefully this will solve your problem. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.